next door to me who thinks he's very wise. A see-all, know-all can't fool me. You've met those kind of guys. At prophesying what to be, he thinks that he's a bear. He'll stop you any time at all and loudly will declare in 1999, in 1999. Although today we write in style, they look back on us and smile in 1999. It surely will be fine. We'll have a lady president in 1999. Yes, I'll admit we're better off than back in 61, 'cause radio and moving pictures hadn't quite begun. And I've been gazing at the stars and got things figured out. There's no one in this world but me knows what that's all about. In 1999, in 1999, I reckon you know what I mean. We'll be drinking gasoline in 1999. There'll even come a time they won't write any mammy songs in 1999. I let you in on something else, but don't you tell a soul. This money that we spend today, they'll use that stuff for coal. These vampire women nowadays are wearing less and less, but they'll be wearing less and less in 99, I reckon. In 1999, in 1999, for 10 or 20 cents, I guess, you can buy the wife a dress in 1999. It won't be any crime to have a dozen wives or so in 1999. The men and women nowadays get married just for fun, but when they try to get unhitched, their troubles start by gum. They hire a liar just to swear each other's not to blame. The things they accuse each other of, it drives the judge insane. But in 1999, in 1999, there'll be no jury to declare what is what, for they won't care in 1999. Divorce will take no time. They leave them flat and say that's that in 1999.